Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of the following is the next term in the series given below? So to find that, we'll first have to number the alphabet. So let's see: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So after numbering, we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So after numbering, let's write E, X, B and their numbers. So we have 5, 20, E 24 and B is 2. Next is I, T, E. So it's 9, T is 20 and E is 5. Next let's write M, P, H. So M is 13, P is 16 and H is 8. Now let's observe these numbers. When we do, we find that 9 from 5 is obtained by simply adding 4. 13 from 9 is also obtained by simply adding 4. But the next letter of the member is differently ordered. 20 from 24 is obtained by minus 4. 16 from 20 is obtained by minus 4. So this is the pattern for second letter. And for the third letter, we have plus 3. And if this pattern is actually used for this particular series, so we can easily find the next member and let's compare if it's as given here. So plus 4 will be 17, minus 4 will be 12 and plus 3 will be 11. And that makes 17 is Q, 12 is L and 11 is K, and that's correct. So the pattern fits. So the next member with this pattern will be, let's see, 17 plus 4 is 21, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 11 plus 3 is 14, which is equal to, let's see, U, 8 is H and 14 is N. So the next member will be UHN. Answer is option D.